Hello students, welcome to the next video of a probability class. Before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति शांति शांति. So today we will discuss some problems of a probability and a uniform non-uniform space. Previous class we discussed about what are the theorems on probability and it's some problem. You know, if A and B are two mutually exclusive events, then probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B. A and B are two events in a sample space capital S, where A subset B, then P of A less than or equal to P of B. P of A minus B equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B. P of B minus A equal to probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. P of A union B equal to P of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. For three events A, B, C, we can prove also P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. But today we will discuss some problems on probability. One question: two dice are rolled in a succession, means one dice are rolled, then another dice are rolled, or you can take two dice are thrown at a time. Okay. So two dice are rolled in succession. Find the probability that the first die shows at most 3 and the second shows an odd number not less than 3. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ଡାଇସ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଥ୍ରୋ କରିବା ଗୋଟେ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ, ସକ୍ସେସନ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ଥର ପରେ ଗୋଟେ. ଓକେ, ଥ୍ରୋ କଲା ପରେ କାହାର ପ୍ରୋବାବିଲିଟିଟା ପଚାରୁଛି? ଦି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଡାଇ ଶୋଜ୍ ଏଟ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ 3. ପ୍ରଥମ ଡାଇସ୍ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଏଟ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ 3. ଏଟ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ 3 ମିନ୍ସ ଅତି ବେଶୀରେ 3 ଆସିବା ଦରକାର. ଓକେ, ତାର ଅର୍ଥ 1 ଆସିଲେ ହେବ, 2 ଆସିଲେ ହେବ, 3 ଆସିଲେ ହେବ, କିନ୍ତୁ କେବେ ବି 4 ଆସିଲେ ହେବନି କି 5 ଆସିଲେ ହେବନି କି 6 ଆସିଲେ ହେବନି. ବିକଜ୍ ଦି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଡାଏ ଶୋଜ୍ ଏଟ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ 3. ଏଟ୍ ମୋଷ୍ଟ 3 ମାନେ 3 କିମ୍ବା 3ରୁ ଲେସ୍ ହେବ. ଲେସ୍ ମାନେ କ'ଣ 0 ଅଛି କି ଡାଇସ୍ରେ? ନାହିଁ. ତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଡାଇସ୍ଟା 1 ହେବ, 2 ହେବ, 3 ହେବ. ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଡାଇସ୍ ଶୋଜ୍ ଆନ୍ ଅଡ୍ ନମ୍ବର. ସେକେଣ୍ଡଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଅଡ୍ ନମ୍ବର ହେବ, ନଟ୍ ଲେସ୍ ଦେନ୍ 3. 3ରୁ ସାନ ହେବନି. ତା ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ ହେବ? ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଡାଇଟା ଅଡ୍ ହେଇଥିବ, 3ରୁ ସାନ ହେବନି. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଦି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ନମ୍ବର ମଷ୍ଟ ବି କ'ଣ ହେବ? 3 ଅର୍ 5. 3 and 5. ତେଣୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଡାଇଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଡାଇର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା ହେବ 1 ହେଇପାରିବ, 2 ହେଇପାରିବ, 3 ହେଇପାରିବ. ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଡାଇର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ? 3 ହେବ ଆଉ 5 ହେବ. ଓକେ, 3 ହେବ, 5 ହେବ. So answer, here the sample space S equal to, that is the mode S equal to 36, because two dice are thrown succession. Hala, let capital E be the event, E be the event, the first be the event of getting first die shows at most 3 3 and the second show an odd number not less than 3, not less than 3. Okay, that means E equal to 1 3 1 5, then 2 3 2 5, then 3 5 3 3 3 5. Okay, so probability of P of E equal to mod E by mod S. So what is cardinality of E? 1 2 3 4 5 6 by 36. Okay, so answer is 6 by 36. Okay, next we do another problem also, that is for any two events, if P of A equal to 3 by 4, probability of B equal to 5 by 8, then show that probability of A intersection B less than equal to 5 by 8, greater than equal to 3 by 8. Okay. So how can you prove that probability of A intersection B is less than equal to 5 by 8? Here P of B equal to 5 by 8. You know that A intersection B is a subset of B. Okay, proof. So how can you prove that? We know A intersection B is a subset of B. Also A intersection B is a subset of A also, but here we write A intersection B is a subset of B, because we prove that P of A intersection B is less than equal to 5 by 8. Achha, A intersection B subset equal to B means probability of A intersection B is less than or equal to probability of, that is a property theorem. If A subset B, then probability of A less than or equal to probability of B. Okay, probability of B, that implied P of A intersection B is less than or equal to 5 by 8. Do you understand? Again, P of A union B equal to what? P of A plus probability of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, so P of A, which is equal to P of A, here P of A equal to what? 3 by 4 plus P of B equal to 5 by 8 minus P of A intersection B. Okay, so 3 by 4 plus 5 by 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8, take it LCM, 4 8 LCM को 8 4 2 जा ये 6 एला plus 5 minus P of A intersection B. Okay, so this is 13 by 8 minus P of A intersection B. But we know for any event the probability of A must be less than or equal to 1. We know the range of the probability. We know for any event its probability must be less than or equal to 1. P of A union B is less than or equal to 1. Okay. So what is P of A union B? P of A union B means 13 by 8 minus P of A intersection B is less than or equal to 1. Okay, that implied 13 by 8 minus 1 is less than or equal to P of A intersection B. Do you understand? That implies 13 by 8 minus 8 केता आसिला 5 by 8 आसिला ना, तो 5 by 8 is less than or equal to P of A intersection B. So let it be equation 1 and let it be equation 2. So 5 by 8 less than equal to P of A intersection B and P of A intersection B. Okay, that implied so 3 by तो 5 by 8 that implied P of A intersection B is less than or equal to, okay, so there is a mistake, 6 plus 5 what? 6 plus 5 kete asyo 11 asyo na, eta 11, okay. So 11, eta asyo 11 hala, 11 by 8, 11 minus 8, so this is 3 by 8, okay, 11 minus 8, that is the 3 by 8, so 3 by 8 less than or equal to P of A intersection B. So from 1 and 2, P of A intersection B less than or equal to 5 by 8, and here P of A intersection B is greater than or equal to 3 by 8. So from 1 and 2, 3 by 8, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, okay, 3 by 8, P of A intersection B, P of 3 by 8 less than or equal to P of A intersection B, that is the P of A intersection B which is less than or equal to 5 by 8. So P of A intersection B less than or equal to 3 by 8, greater than or equal to 3 by 8, 5 by 8 to less hobo, 3 by 8 to greater or equal bhi hobo, so proof is complete. Eta 6 plus 5 ke to 11 hoche, okay. Next we do another problem. Okay, a committee of 3 is to be chosen from among 10 people. There are 10 people are there. 3 is to be chosen from among 10 people, including A and B. So in that 10 people, one is A, other is B. Okay, find the probability that A is in the committee. Say committee A thibar probability kete. Number 2, A or B belongs to the committee. Number 3, A and B belongs to the committee. Okay, now the answer is, so here the sample space, what? So a committee can be made by taking 3 elements out of 10 peoples. That means committee can be made equal to number of selection of 3 peoples out of 10 peoples. So mod S equal to 10C3. Here mod S equal to 10C3. Do you understand? आमे जो committee जो तैयारी करिया से committee 3 जनों ने information कहा बो. That is 10C3. Let E1 be the event. E1 be the event that a committee contains A. Okay, E1 be the event. A is in the committee. A is in the committee. Okay, A is in the committee. E2 be the event. B is in the committee. Say committee B thibo. B is in the committee. In the committee. Okay. So what is E1? P of E1. Sorry, E1 equal to what? So E1 equal to means, so number of selection of 3 members including A. Including A means since A contains in that committee, so we select 2 members out of 9 people. Out of 9 people, that means that is 9C2. Actually we make a committee consists 3 members, but in that selection, each selection contains the people A. Okay, तो बर्तमान आम जो कमिटी तैयारी करिया से कमिटी 3 जन मेंबर रहिबे किंतु ताइरे ए थिबो. जदि ए थिबो मीन्स सो we select another 2 people out of 9 people, that means 9C2. Okay, so here a committee contains 3 elements, 3 people, one is A and other 2 people, okay, but A must be included in that committee. So similarly E2, so what is the mode of E2? The committee contains B, that means other 2 people can be selected out of 9 people, that is also 9C2. Okay. So one question, first question is A is in the committee, so what is probability of E1? So P of E1 equal to mod E1 by mod S, that is the 9C2 by 10C3. ବୁଝିହେଉଛି ନା? Do you understand? So P of E1 equal to 9C2 by 10C3. Similarly, number 2, A and B belongs to the committee, means P of E1 union P of E2. A or B belongs to the committee, so which is equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. Okay. So P of E1 equal to 9C2 by 10C3 plus 9C2 by 10C3 minus P of E1 intersection E2 means, so we can make a committee, that commit consists A and B. Okay. So in that commit contains A and B means remaining 1 people can be selected out of rest 8 people. तो बर्तमान कौन कटाई ये जो कमिटी जो तैयारी हम ए कमिटी 3टा मेंबर रहिबो, किंतु 3टा मेंबर ऑलरेडी किए अच्छी ए रहिबो बी रहिबो ए अच्छी बी अच्छी ए एंड बी इंक्लूडिंग इन दैट कमिटी. सो 1 member can be selected out of 8 people, that is 8C1, that is 8C1. Okay. So this is the selection of a committee contains 3 member including A and B by 10C3. This is the answer. So 9C2 by 10C3 plus 9C2 by 10C3 minus 8C1 by 10C3. Okay. Number 3, A and B belongs to the committee. A and B belongs to the committee means this is the P of E1 intersection E2. So P of E1 intersection E2 equal to 8C1 by 10C3. You find this answer 8C1 by 10C3. Okay. So in this way you have to make the committee and its probability. Okay. So there are 20 boys and 10 girls in a class. If a committee of 6 is to be chosen at random, having at least 2 boys and 2 girls, find the probability that there are 3 boys in the committee. There are 3 boys in the committee. Number 2, there are 4 boys in the committee. Okay. Now answer is here 20 boys and 10 girls are there. We make a committee, 6 is to be chosen at randomly, having at least 2 boys and 2 girls. So the committee can be made by taking 2 boys and 4 girls, because at least 2 boys and 2 girls. By taking 2 boys and 4 girls, 2 boys and 4 girls, or 3 boys and 3 girls. Okay. Or 4 boys and 2 girls. Do you understand? A committee can be made by taking 2 boys and 4 girls, or 3 boys and 3 girls, or 4 boys and 2 girls, because in that committee consists 6 members out of 6 members having at least 2 boys and 2 girls. So the committee can be made in the following cases. Okay, so the selection can be made, that is the number of committee, that is the sample space mod is equal to here 2 boys and 4 girls. A committee can be made by taking 2 boys and 4 girls, means 2 boys selected out of 20 boys, 20 C2, 4 girls select out of 10 girls, that is a 10 C4. Okay, plus because you take this is the another selection to make a committee. So here 3 boys means 20 C3 into 10 C3 into 10 C3. Okay, plus here 4 boys means 4 boys select out of 20 boys, that is the 20 C4 into 10 C2 into 10 C2. This is the sample space. Okay, number 1, P of 3 boys in the committee, probability P of 3 boys in the committee, 3 boys in the committee means, so here this is the sample space, in which case 3 boys in the committee, second case. So 3 boys in the committee means this is the 20 C3 into 10 C3 by sample space by mod S. You write this one by mod S means, okay. So mod S equal to this one. Number 2, P of 4 boys in the committee. There are 4 boys, P of 4 boys in the committee. So 4 boys in the committee means, in which case 4 boys are there. So 20 C4 into 10 C2 by sample space by mod S. Mod S means you write this one. So it mod S lekhibani, mod S in place of mod S you write this one. Okay. In notebook you write this one, not mod S. Okay. Next we do another question, that is so 6 boys and 6 girls sit in a row randomly. Find the probability that girls sit together, all girls sit together. Number 2, boys and girls sit alternatively. Okay. So 6 boys and 6 girls can be arranged in a row. 6 boys and 6 girls sit in a row, sit in a row in how many ways? 12 factorial ways, equal to 12 factorial ways. Okay, because 6 boys and 6 girls, there are 12 things are, so these 12 things can be arranged in a row in 12 factorial ways. Let E1 be the event that all girls sit together, be the event of getting all girls sit together. Okay, so these 6 girls sit together means we consider these 6 girls as one things and remaining 6 boys are 6 different things. So these 6 different things and one group. Now there are 7 things are there. These 7 things can be arranged in a row in 7 factorial, but in each arrangement 6 girls are there. So these 6 girls can be arranged themselves in 6 factorial ways. Okay, so the number of arrangement where 6 boys, 6 girls sit in a row where all girls sit together equal to 7 factorial into 6 factorial. Okay, so E1 cardinality, E1 mode equal to 7 factorial into 6 factorial. Okay, so P of E1 equal to 7 factorial into 6 factorial. by mod s. Mod s means 12 factorial. 12 factorial. Okay. Number 2, E2 be the event of getting girls or boys and girls sit alternatively. Okay. So if we beginning with boys, then we will get B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. So in how many ways? 6 factorial. Then how many alternate position are there? Alternate position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 girls can be filled in 6 places in how many way? 6 factorial into 6 factorial. But if we start with girls, so G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6. Okay. So the arrangement begin with girls, we will get 6 factorial. Then in gap there are 6 gap in alternate position, 6 gap alternate position. So these 6 alternate position, 6 boys can be filled in 6 factorial ways. Okay. So boys and the girls sit alternately means 6 factorial into 6 factorial plus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. Okay. So this is E2 cardinality equal to 6 factorial into 6 factorial plus 6 factorial into 6 factorial, and which is equal to 2 into 6 factorial square. Okay. So therefore P of E2, therefore probability of E2 equal to P of E2 equal to 2 into 6 factorial rho square by 12 factorial. This is the answer. Okay. So boys आरंभ कले you will get 6 factorial. जो 5टा alternate position आसो 6 factorial लागो. Girls आरंभ कले भी same result will be arrangement, number of arrangement. So E2 रो mode equal to 6 factorial into 6 factorial plus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. That is a probability of E2 equal to 2 into 6 factorial square by 12 factorial. 8 students stand in a line at random. What is the probability that 2 students A and B do not stand together? Okay. So we find the probability 2 students A and B do not stand together. That means we have to calculate 1 minus P of probability where 2 students A and B stand together. Okay. So do not stand together means this is equal to, you can find also it is complementary cases, that is 1 minus 8 students stand in a line at random where A and B stand together. So stand together bahar kori 1 minus korda wale we will get the probability where 2 students A and B do not stand together. Okay. Answer. 8 students stand in a line at randomly, that is 8 factorial. So here mod s equal to 8 factorial because 8 students can be stand in a line 8 factorial. Okay. Let capital E be the event that 2 students A and B stand together. Okay. So stand together means they come, A and B come together. A and B come together means, so A and B taking as one things. This is one group. Okay, one things. Now remaining 6 students in 6 things. So 6 plus 1, 7 different things. So these 7 different things can be arranged in a row in 7 factorial. But in each arrangement, 2 students A and B So they can be arranged themselves A, B and B in two factorial ways. Okay. So if the event that two students A and B stand together equal to 6 factorial, 6 plus 1 के 7 है A, B stand together means they are taking as one things and remaining 6 students as 6 things, 6 plus 1 7 things. These 7 things can be arranged in a row in 7 factorial, but in each arrangement 2 students are there. These 2 students can be arranged themselves in 2 factorial ways. So 7 factorial into 2 factorial, this is the number of arrangement of 8 students stand in a line where A and B stand together. Okay. So P of E dash. So P of E dash means probability equal to 1 minus P of E, and which is equal to 1 minus P of E. So P of E means this is the mod E by mod S. So 1 minus mod E means 7 factorial into 2 factorial by mod S equal to 8 factorial. So E complement means 2 students A and B do not stand together. P of getting A and B do not stand together. Okay. So P of probability of getting 2 students A and B do not stand together equal to 1 minus 7 factorial into 2 factorial by 8 factorial, and which is equal to 8 factorial minus 7 factorial into 2 factorial by 8 factorial. Okay. So do not stand together means total number of arrangement minus their come stand together. So this is the 8 factorial minus 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. Next we go to finite probability space. So finite probability space means in which space, that is which sample space is called finite probability space. Let S equal to A1, A2, A3 dot AN be a sample space, be a finite sample space because it has a finite number of elements. Okay. Be a finite sample space, sample space. Okay. Pi is probability of AI for I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot n. That means P1 is the probability of an event A1, P1 is the probability of A2, P3 is the probability of A3. Okay. So this sample space, this S equal to A1, A2, A3 dot AN is said to be finite probability space, if Pi number 1, Pi greater than or equal to 0 means the probability of each elementary event must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. For I equal to 1, 2, 3 dot n. Number 2, summation I equal to 1 to n Pi means the probability sum of all elementary event probability of equal to 1. That is P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus dot Pn equal to 1. तेणु जो sample space रो each event रो probability ना greater than equal to 0 हो और सब जगह ऐड कला जब 1 हो देन दैट इज नोन एज अ फाइनाइट प्रोबेबिलिटी स्पेस ओके then this is known as a finite probability space. For example, a die is thrown once okay. Here the sample space is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 you know the sample space is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. The probability of getting 1 so 1 as your probability kete 1 by 6 probability of getting 2 jetlo ame dice ta ku throw kariya so what is the probability of getting 2 kete achi gote achi that is 1 by 6 aga 2 as your mode 1 by 6 so probability of getting 3 equal to also 1 by 6 and probability of getting 4 it is also 1 by 6 probability of 5 equal to 1 by 6 and probability of 6 is also 1 by 6. So, what is total sum of the all probability that is P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 6 equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 that is 6 by 6 equal to 1. So, this space is known as फाइनाइट प्रोबेबिलिटी स्पेस तेणु ए स्पेस टाक आम कहवा फाइनाइट प्रोबेबिलिटी स्पेस ओके तेणु जो स्पेस प्रत्येक इवेंटर प्रोबेबिलिटी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 हम एलिमेंटरी इवेंटर प्रोबेबिलिटी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 हम एंड सम ऑफ ऑल प्रोबेबिलिटी इज इक्वल टू 1 देन दिस इज नोन एज अ फाइनाइट प्रोबेबिलिटी स्पेस. Then we go to uniform space, that the equiprobable space or non-uniform space. So equiprobable space means the sample space in which if the probability of each elementary event are equal then that is known as equiprobable space. Do you understand what is equiprobable space or what is uniform space? तेणु जो sample space रे बा जो finite probability sample space रे each elementary event रो probability जो equal रोची the probability of each elementary event in that sample space are equal then that is known as equiprobable space okay. For example, here this is also uniform space. Why it is called equiprobable space? Here the sample space is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 the probability of each elementary event are equal. देखो 1 as your probability 1 the probability 1 by 6 2 the probability 1 by 6 3 the probability 1 by 6 okay. So, here probability of each elementary event are equal and the total probability is 1. That is why this is known as this space is known as a uniform space or equiprobable space. A space which is not uniform, a space which is not equiprobable then that is a non-equiprobable space or non-uniform space. तेणु जो sample space रे each elementary event probability जदि unequal आसुची equal हो नथबो then that is known as non-uniform space okay. So do you understand what is equiprobable space? That is uniform space. Non-equiprobable or non-uniform space. This is the example of uniform space or equiprobable space. Okay, the sample space, if the probability of each elementary event are equal then that sample space is called equiprobable space or uniform space. For example, a coin toss once, a coin tossed once then the sample space is equal to h of t. So what is the probability of getting head? So P of head equal to 1 by 2, P of tail equal to also 1 by 2. So this space is known as uniform space or equiprobable space. Then we go to non-uniform space, non-uniform space. Non-uniform space. The sample space which is not equiprobable is called non-uniform space. That is, the probability of each elementary event are not equal, then that space is known as a equiprobable space. For example, a biased coin is there. A biased coin means those coin manufactured defect, that is known as a biased coin. A biased coin, if head comes twice, as that of a tail. Head comes twice as that of a tail. Okay. तार तो हेड टा टेल कौन द्विगुण जदि टेल वन टाइम आसियो हेड टा कौन आसियो टू टाइम्स आसियो. सो हियर P of tail equal to suppose x, the probability of tail equal to x, then what will be probability of head? So probability of head is the probability of twice of tail, that is the 2x. Okay, but you know the total probability equal to 1. So P of t plus P of h equal to 1, that implied probability of tail equal to x plus probability of h equal to 2x. So x plus 2x equal to 1, that implied 3x equal to 1. So 3x equal to 1 means x equal to 1 by 3. That is the probability of getting tail. So P of tail equal to 1 by 3 and P of head, so probability of head equal to 2 by 3. So here probability of tail is not equal to probability of head, then that space is known as non-uniform space. Okay. There are 3 horses A, B, C in a horse race. B is twice as likely to win as A, and C is 3 by 2 times as likely to win as B. Okay. Find the respective probabilities of winning the race. Okay. So here 3 horses are there in a horse race. B, तो B is twice as likely to win as A. तेणु B जितियार चांस टा A रो द्विगुण होची. C is 3 by 2 times as likely to as B. C जितियार चांस टा B रो कौन होची 3 by 2 times C रो C जितियार चांस टा B रो 3 by 2 times ना नहीं. अच्छा. So find the respective probabilities of winning the race. So first we take, since B is twice as likely as A, that means first we take the probability of winning the horse race A equal to X. Okay? Here, let probability of winning in a horse race, let the probability of winning horse A equal to X. Okay, horse A equal to X, so that is P of A equal to X. What is the probability of B? Here probability B equal to, B is twice as likely to win as A, so probability of B equal to 2x, and probability of C equal to, C is 3 by 2 times the probability of B, so P of C equal to 3 by 2 into 2x. Do you understand? So P of C equal to 3x, but you know the total probability is 1, so P of A plus P of B plus P of C equal to 1. So here P of A equal to x, P of B equal to 2x, P of C equal to 3x equal to 1. That implied 6x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 by 6. So probability of horse win the game, horse A win the horse race equal to 1 by 6, and the probability of B. Okay, so the probability of horse B win the horse race equal to 2x. 2x means 2 by 6, 1 by 3, and P of C equal to 3x. P of C equal to 3x means 3 by 6. So 3 by 6, that is a 1 by 2. Okay, so in that horse race, A win the horse race equal to 1 by 6, B win the horse race 1 by 6, and C win the horse race equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so this is known as a non-uniform space. तो A space टाक हम कौन से non-uniform space. Okay, so in the next class we will do some another problems. Okay, so using this concept you can do the textbook problems of your textbook or also study material. Thank you.